In this video, we'll be taking a look at a CCTV kit solution, the Uniview Kit301. Better security, better world. Let's get started with what's inside the kit. But while we unpack, this video is sponsored by AI Secure, the Uniview distributor in South Africa. For more info on AI Secure, please visit their website on www.aisecureSA.com. Here you can find all of their contact details to get hold of them, their phone numbers and their emails, as well as all of their products and services. But let's get back to our video. So the first things that we find in the box is the power cable and the data cable for the hard drives. These two cables are very important, so always make sure when you buy a CCTV kit that you do get these two cables with. Next we'll take a look at the AC adapter and the power plug that came with it. I'm very happy to say that this one came with a standard South African 3-point plug. And inside the kit you also get a USB mouse. So let's take a look at the NVR and its specifications. So the network video recorder that comes with this kit is a 4-channel camera input that is a plug-and-play system. It supports Ultra 265, H265 and H264 video formats. It also supports third-party cameras with ONVIF, Profile S, Profile G and Profile T. The NVR has 4 indication lights. The first is the power indicator, second the internet connection, third the connection to the cloud server, and fourth the hard drive status. You can mount this device straight onto your wall. That does look aesthetically pleasing. The NVR can fit one hard drive up to 6 terabytes and all firmware updates is done over the cloud. This NVR has power over Ethernet built in, so no additional switches or power supplies is needed. Just one Ethernet cable straight from the NVR to the camera. The NVR has an Ethernet plug and 2 USB plugs, one for the mouse and one for a flash drive. It has an HDMI output and a VGA output. Both can work at the same time. The NVR does score very high on the looks department with us. Now let's take a look at the cameras that comes included in the kit. And no, they're not pink, it's just a wrapping to protect them in the shipment. So the first thing you'll find is a protection boot for the Ethernet plug and mounting screws for the 4 cameras. Now let's take the wrapping off. The cameras works day or night with smart infrared up to 30 meters. Let's take a better look at that. Here's a view of a camera we set up in our front yard during the day, roughly covering about a 20-meter stretch with one camera. And in this view we'll see the same camera during the night time with the infrared. These cameras have 2D and 3D digital noise reduction and regions of interest. This means that you can map out where you want the camera to notify you when there is movement. These cameras are built of a high quality and they are rated IP67. So if you are in the market to buy yourself a CCTV kit for your home, do visit aisecureSA.com because this is definitely one CCTV kit to consider. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as one of our new videos are up.